In this video, I'll show you a few different ways to bulk import products from Shein into your WooCommerce store. Let's get straight into it. The first method is we can go ahead and copy over this URL of this particular product. We can also bulk import products via the categories as well. To achieve all this, we'll be using the WPFetchAI plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below, or you can just head over to WPFetchAI.com. Currently, there's a 3-day free trial, so you can go ahead and get started for free. Let's head over to our dashboard. I've already got our URL copied. Assuming you've uploaded and installed the WPFetchAI plugin, then you just need to navigate over to WPFetchAI importer here. And then we've got two options. We can enter in the category page here, or we can enter in specific product URL like we've done here. Remove everything after the question mark because it's not needed. Then we can go ahead and hit extract. It seems Shein is blocking our scraper from crawling the website. And we know this because it's picking up the default title from the homepage. All right, so to get around this, we'll go ahead and use Chrome extension. So let's head back over here. We'll go ahead and click on our WPFetchAI Chrome extension, and this will require the plus plan. Go ahead and hit capture on this page. We'll click import into. Now let's click edit product. We've got our product name, image, and our description. This is a variable product. So when we click on variation, we should see our variations here. All right, so we can see our variation just fine. Let's click on this one, our price here. So that's imported successfully. If it was a category page, we would again click on our Chrome extension and WPFetchAI, and then here we'll just click select products on this page, for example this one, and click import selected. Right, and that said it's imported. Let's double check. We can see it's been imported here, so that's perfect. Price as well. Like and subscribe for more videos like this, and if you got any questions, leave it in the comment.